So I hope you guys enjoyed the video. I know I was really quiet, but this was supposed to be kind of like a satisfying video. And I hope you guys enjoyed this slimy video. And it was very fun to make, and I loved playing with this slime. As you can see, I'm like playing with it a lot, and yeah. So I hope you guys have a wonderful day. Please make sure to like and subscribe. It'd be nice if we could get this video to 5 likes and at least 3 subscribers, and comment down below what video I should make next. I know I'm not that good of a YouTuber yet, but I will be soon. So, bye guys. I'm gonna work on an intro soon. Bye.